They say 12 by something, but the rest of it is laid out. Okay. Hello, 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 and welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Lawonne, coming at you with another video. This one is a little different. This one, I'm going to do my unboxing. So I ordered some things from Amazon and some things from Mercari. These are my POLYMAILERS. Let me move my cup. It's in the scene. So, I think I'm going to start with the Amazon. But anyway, let me introduce myself. I'm Lawonne. I am a part-time reseller for the apps of Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. So, the reason why I bought POLYMAILERS is because Poshmark no longer uses priority mail. They do use Ground Advantage, which I can get those for free. All I have to do is, call the 1-800 number, I believe. But I haven't done that yet. And I believe they made the transition last fall. Yeah, I believe it was last fall. But anyway, I like using the POLYMAILERS because mostly what I sell are clothes. And if I want to mail out like something like a hard good, then it's easy for me to go out and find a box. Let's get into the video. I was suspended on Poshmark for 24 hours because I canceled an order that I forgot that I had sold on another platform. So the item was a pair of maternity jean shorts, and they sold on Whatnot, and I forgot to go back to my Poshmark and my eBay and my Mercari. I believe, no, they weren't on Mercari. They was on Poshmark and eBay. And I forgot to go and take them off. Don't be like me, y'all. Don't be like me. I don't have the app where it automatically deletes. I really do like doing that myself. But this particular time I didn't do it. So anyway, yeah, 24 hours. So the solution for that is make sure you go back and you delete. Well, I don't delete off of Poshmark anymore, and I'll explain that. What I do is I put it up for not for sale. And the reason why I do that is because if you have so many deletions as well as not shipping out, you will get banned, terminated. Yeah, it's a lot with Poshmark right now, and they are really pushing resellers to either up their game or get out. So, hey, it is what it is. So, lesson learned. So now I just go in and I put items that sold from other platforms. I put them not for sale. Simple for me. And that way too, if I find that item again or something like that item again, I can go in and just tweak a little bit of description, tweak a little bit of maybe the pictures, and repost. So see, it's another way of doing things. It's always another way of doing things, y'all. Alright? So, let's get into the video. Okay. So I'm going to start with eBay. I'm going to start with Amazon. And I'm just going to this lightly because I don't want to tear my POLYMAILERS. Right? And I got paper. So I like when they pack like this. And I'm going to put the Amazon link below. So in case you want to order POLYMAILERS too. So I like the fact that they put the POLYMAILERS in a POLYMAILER. of the colors that I believe that I ordered. So this is the green. Why am I doing it that way when I have the scissors right here? I can reuse this bag too, y'all. I don't know now. I recycle. So, yeah. So these are the green ones. And I don't have to take them out really. But it's 50, I believe, in here. Let me see. Let's see what it says. It says, okay, so these are Polymailer 12. They didn't say what size. JIA number 1433. Okay, come on. And this is the bag. These, I don't know what size they are. I'm not saying. They say 12 by something, but the rest of it is layered out. Okay, so these are the 10 by, okay, so that, excuse me, these are the 10 by 13, and it's 100 in the pack. So it's 100 of these, and 100 of these. I don't want to knock nothing down off my table. And I saved this paper. Okay. So this I ordered from a young lady off of Mercari. And I'm going to put her name, her shop right here. I like to support the small business owners. So, let's see what we got here. I love this doggy bag right here. Doggy Polymailer. I didn't see this in her shop. That's cute. I could put something in there. So, I ordered, I believe, yes, a bundle. It's not much. It's about maybe 20. And I got them for about, I believe it was $6 because I had a credit of 10. So altogether it was like $16 per ship. So, she gave me these. So this is my little gifts. How did she know I love cherries? And these are like smaller bags. I believe these are like 5 by 7. 5 by 7. Okay. So, you know, spring is coming. So I ordered some florals, butterflies. Yeah, flowers. Real cute. So these are 13 by 10. And then I just ordered some random, oops. These I ordered because they already say thank you on them. They say thank you for your order in different colors. So, you know, purple is my favorite color. So it's like 3 of these and 4 of the teal and 3 of the red. So yeah, I wanted just to get a little bit more in here. I still have a lot of my, excuse me, I still have a lot of my 25 by 14, I believe. That's the gray ones, the big gray ones. And I still have a lot of the plain black ones. So I just wanted to add a little bit of springtime to my collection. And this is a bonus. It's cute. I'm just going to take my label off. Real easy. Real easy to come off. There There you go. I always take it off anyway. And this bag can be reused. And this one too. But for now, I'm just going to put everything in here. Fold it up real nice. And then just put it in here. Put it with the rest of it. So I'm going to put it in the box for now. And then I'll put everything away later. Okay. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to thank you and have a blessed day.